This system has a solution of 5, -2. ax minus by equals 24, and bx plus ay equals 31. What are the values of a and b? First, substitute 5, -2 into both equations. 5 replaces x in both equations, and -2 is substituted for y in both equations. Next, arrange the equations so the a and b terms are lined up. Next, eliminate the a's or b's. Eliminating the a's looks slightly easier because one a coefficient is positive and the other is negative. Multiply the first equation by 2 and multiply the second equation by 5. Simplify. We now have 10 times a plus 4 times b equals 48, and -10 times a plus 25 times b equals 155. Now, adding the equations eliminates the a's, so we can solve for b. Now, 29 times b equals 203. Divide both sides by 29, and b equals 7. Substitute b in one of the original equations and solve for a. The equation becomes 5 times a plus 14 equals 24. Subtract 14 from both sides, and 5 times a equals 10. Divide both sides by 5, and a equals 2. We have an answer. For 5, -2 to be a solution, a equals 2 and b equals 7.